Reset the PS4 in its default settings and erase everything on the console. You have to go on Settings, then go down at the very last option, Initialization. Then, Reset Default Settings. You will have to input the console password. If there is none, the default one is to press 4 times on the square. Now only remain to hit Restore, Yes, and finally OK. The PlayStation will restart as a brand new one out of the box.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!